Can't trust nobody, not just anybody. Gotta watch my back, I'm not just anybody. Just play it for me. Girl, it's a movie. I can't waste no time. I wanna make you mine. I want more than conversation. I don't know how you could take it. Better in the A, told about B. I just wanna see, she just want the day. Kiss me with the friends on, ooh. Kiss me with the friends on, ooh. Set her in the A, told about B. I just wanna see, she just want the day. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
What's up, YouTube? Baby, I'm in the bathroom. I'ma pull a prank on my little sister today. So I gotta be quiet. Alright, so I'm doing the, what's it called? The baby powder blow dryer prank, or whatever that is called.
I'm gonna drag it, but not too much for a simple fact that I'm gonna have to clean this up.
Girl, I might just give you a dollar. Girl, I know, baby, got it sweet. And let me show you how it feels.
Oh my God!
Y'all, this is a fail because this was a fail, epic fail. I'll see y'all in a few.
Thousand years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m., 3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, 12 o'clock midnight. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Meanwhile, 2 hours later, 8:01 p.m. the next day. Later, 20 minutes later, 6 hours later, several bad puns later.
70 years later.
Meanwhile, 6 hours later, later that same evening, several days later, 6 months later, 2 hours later.
no, 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 no.
Don't spray it up. Don't worry. the prank worked clearly. And stay tuned for the next video. Let's go big. I don't like you. I'll see you guys next time. What's up, YouTube? Back with another one in one day. I'm about to pour ice cold water on her. She's showering right now. I'll see you guys in a video.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get laid.